Hi everyone, Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I have a 16 by 20 inch or approximately 40 by 50 centimetre canvas, and I put some black paint on it. I'm going to do a swipe. I have white, black, cobalt blue and light blue, and I have put some cell maker in the light blue. So let's get started here. So I might start with the white just because I can, and take this stirrer out. So there's the white. I'll put a bit of black in there too, only because I can. Just across there like that. And now the cobalt. I really like this blue. So pretty. Okay. Get in on that end. And the lucky last with the cell maker is the light blue, which is really quite pretty. And around we go. So hopefully, maybe a bit of black on each end here. No growling, please. My little dog wants to go to sleep and the other one's wriggling. Okay, so there we go. Now, this is sort of a plasticky type of cardboard. And hopefully it will do good. And straight up we go. Coming along, just wipe that off. Lucky last. And as we can see, actually that would be, could go again, I think it's, oh well, I don't know where the colours went for that piece, but we'll soon find out, I guess, see what it does. So far I'm not all that impressed. Lots of cells. Might take that again. Let's see if I can get some colour out of that black. Gotta be on the colour there somewhere. Miserable little bit there. Alright. Now a bit of a tilt. Take it down. Back. Let's see what we have. Still not what I sort of thought. So, alright, what I'm going to do is see if it'll work with a bit of a ribbon over it. Blue, maybe the light blue. So I just put the cobalt blue, black, cobalt blue, and then the light blue straight down the centre. Here, just going to do this. A bit of a mix. And we'll see what happens here. If this doesn't work, I'll just swipe it again. That's quite attractive. Alright, now I'm going to wipe my hands off and then I'll bring my torch over. Much more, that blue is really nice. I'm much more happy now. Just wipe my hands. So that's really, really pretty. Alright, so I'm keeping that one and I will bring you down to take a look and see what you think. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below, show more under the video. That's what I was looking at. And there's no Floetrol in this. I haven't used Floetrol for quite a while now, but yeah, I'm quite happy with the way things are working out without it. I'm going to go around here and see if I can get this without my shadow, because it's much more bright if I'm not standing in the light. See, I'm getting plenty of cells even though I'm not using Floetrol. So, don't know that you really need it. And you'll find the name of the cell maker I'm using from Schwarzkopf below, show more on the video, under this video. And what else can I tell you? If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. How pretty is that bit? And well, I really hope you've enjoyed this. It's very pretty, like those. Alright, well thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.